guys, we were in the bus and we were on our way to Sakri from Dehradun, and on our way right now at around 3:40, the bus driver and like our bus and another car got into an accident, and the car had a very bad um, they really got saved though. The car was completely torn apart and the car could have fallen into the valley, but luckily they all got saved, and then there was a huge fight, and hopefully it settles soon so we can reach our destination as well. Update, we finally got a chance to leave from the accident place, and we reached Sankri around 9 o'clock in the night, and then we were briefed by the trekking instructor, and we all went to our rooms, packed our bags, shifted things here and there, and then had dinner and slept. It was really cold, but I'll show you all the view from here. I'll show you all the guest house where we are staying at Sankri, and it's so pretty, and you all can see the view behind me. It's just amazing. Like, I can't believe the view from here is so good. What it will be like when you go up. So we started walking, and honestly, do not carry a heavy bag because you will have so much problem because the roads are very steep. So we finally crossed around 1 kilometers in about 30 to 40 minutes. I am so tired. I swear I should not have taken so much stuff in my bag, even though all of it is necessary. And probably I just should have given my bag to Mule to carry it upwards, but it's okay now. I think we have reached more than half the way, so it's pretty close now, but it's just that it's very slippery and steep, so we have to be extremely careful, and with the weight that I have, I might just tumble down. So yeah. So we finally reached the Judaka Talab base camp, and it was a 5-hour walk. It was approximately 4 kilometers, and it was so tiring. The first kilometer was extremely steep. The second kilometer was a normal walk, and after that the last 2 kilometers were really slippery, steep roads, and we found a lot of groups after the second kilometer. So we were like around 100 people or maybe even more walking towards the same destination. And the mules who would carry the bags would drop them and come back at the same time. So it was really risky walking on those narrow roads because a lot of us actually slipped and some of us even got hurt really bad. So honestly, it's a very difficult trek, at least for the first day. And from what we have heard from other trekkers who we met on the way, the base camp and the summit is comparatively less steep and also much better in terms of the distance. But the summit, because we'll be doing it at 3 o'clock in the night, it's going to be extremely windy, and a lot of people have said that they almost lost their lives. So it's really scary. And now I'm having a lot of second thoughts about the summit, but let's see, I don't want to spoil my day thinking about it. Right now, we have reached the first destination, and I think that's enough. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. I have to show it to you all. It's so beautiful. Like, I've never seen something like this ever in my life, and it's a once in a lifetime experience that everyone should have for sure. So these are our tents at the Jhudaka base camp. They are preparing lunch right now. So extremely excited for that because I'm really hungry and I don't care what they give me now. We are finally inside the tent and this is how it looks. And that's Mugdha. We have some 4 sleeping bags because we have 4 people in the tent and 2 of them haven't reached yet.
Hi, it's the morning of day 3, and today we'll be hiking towards the base camp for Kedarkant. And last night we just arrived at Julaka Talab and had some chai pakoda, chilled with everyone, and slept in our sleeping bags. And it's a little cold right now, so yeah, it's kind of unbearable. But I think it'll be fine once we start walking and sweating. So now we'll just get ready and head towards the base camp, which is 2 hours away from here. It's 2 kilometers away.
Hi, so today we are off to the base camp, and to avoid slipping on the way, we are wearing these crampons. So these have spikes underneath to protect us from slipping and getting a good grip on the ground. You ready? How excited are you?
Very, very much.